In this video, you are going to see how to make this beautiful fire animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill and choose the black fill color. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and let us write here fire, and let us select the text, change the font color to white color. Now change the font to Montserrat Extra Bold and change the font size to 250 point, and let us increase the text box size. Select the text box, go to Shape Format, go to Align Center and Align Middle. Now click on the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape and choose Subtract. Click on right button of the shape, go to Format Shape, go to Fill, go to Transparency and let us choose 15 point. Go to Insert, go to Video, let us choose this device. Here I have already downloaded a video from the pixabay.com, the fire video. Click on Insert. Then the video will be inserted. If you go to pixabay.com and write fire, you will find various free video over here. I have downloaded this one. Now click on the video, click on right button and send it to back. Now click on the shape, go to animation, go to add animation, choose grow and shrink, go to animation pen, select it, go to effect option, go to size and let us choose 130%, hit enter. Click on auto reverse, go to timing, choose until end of slide and click on OK, and let us choose with previous. Now let us watch the slideshow, and here you will see this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.